Boys and girls, so today for story time, we're talking about rain. This is a rain stick. Listen to the rain. Listen again. And can you help me sing this little song? It's raining. It's pouring. The old man is snoring. He got out of bed and he bumped his head. And he didn't wake up till morning. It's raining. It's pouring. The old man is snoring. He got out of bed and he bumped his head. And he didn't wake up till morning. Good job, boys and girls. Good job. 5 umbrellas. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let's name the colors. Red, black, green, white, orange. 5 umbrellas stood by the door. The red one went outside, and that left how many? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 umbrellas, pretty as can be. The black one went outside, and that left, let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 umbrellas with nothing to do. The green one went outside, and that left how many? Let's count them. 1, 2. 2 umbrellas not having any fun. The white one went out, and that left how many? Let's count them. 1. Oh, it's an orange umbrella. Alone in the hall. It went outside. And that was all. The end. The Rain Came Down. Written by David Shannon. One Saturday morning, the rain came down. It made the chickens squawk. The cat yowled at the chickens, and the dog barked at the cat, and still the rain came down. The man yelled at the dog and woke up the baby. "Stop all that yelling," shouted the man's wife. The dog barked louder, and still the rain came down. A policeman heard the noise and stopped to see what was wrong. His car was blocking traffic a half a block away. A woman squirmed in the back of a taxi. "Hurry up, or I'll miss my plane," she told the taxi driver. So he started honking his horn. The truck driver in front of him got mad and started honking back. "I have tomatoes to deliver," he shouted. The ice cream man heard the honking and turned up the music on his van. Jingle, jingle went the music. Slappity slap went the windshield wipers, and still the rain came down. The owner of the beauty parlor came out to see what all the fuss was about. She bumped into the barber coming out of his barber shop, and they began to argue. Up on his ladder, the painter grumbled, "I can't paint in the rain." He started to climb down, and bump! the barber in the head with his can of paint. Now all three of them were arguing. Next, the baker stepped out of his bakery. "My roof is leaking and my cakes are getting wet," he moaned. He opened his umbrella and poked the pizza man in the nose. So they joined in the bickering too. A boy ran by chasing a small boat. It was a small steamboat. He was chasing it in the gutter. He splashed a little girl and she began to cry. And still, the rain came down. The grocery man stomped out onto the sidewalk and yelled, "Where is that delivery truck? I need my tomatoes." He ran into a lady coming out of the clothing store and she knocked his boxes into his fruit stand. Oranges, apples, and lemons bounced down the sidewalk and still the rain came down. The policeman walked back to his car. "What is all this ruckus about?" he asked. The whole block was honking, yelling, bickering, and barking. And then, what do you think happened? The rain stopped. And so did the noise. The sun came out, and the air smelled fresh and sweet. Everything shimmered, and a rainbow stretched across the rooftop. Look at that beautiful rainbow. "It's much too nice a day to be arguing," said the baker. "I have cakes to bake, and I have pizza to make," said the pizza man. "I could use a shave while my building dries," said the painter to the barber. Then they went outside. The policeman said, "Everything looks A-OK here to me." And he drove off in his car. And look at his sunglasses, and we can see the rainbow in his sunglasses. The woman in the taxi decided that she had time to have her hair done before her trip, and she went into the beauty parlor. So the lady with the boxes got into the taxi and went home. The truck driver told the grocer, "I have your tomatoes." "Wonderful," said the grocer, "but first I have to pick up this fruit." The little girl and boy helped him, so he brought them ice cream cones, and the ice cream man gave them each an extra scoop because it was such a nice day. Then the man, his wife, and their baby had a picnic together in the backyard while the dog, the cat, and the chickens slept in the warm afternoon sun. And that's the end of The Rain Came Down.